Do you know that the daily minimum recommended water intake is half a gallon? In fact, if you are an active person and live in a place with a hot climate, your body may need more fluid than that. Water is an essential component and prevents constipation, aids digestion, flushes bacteria and regulates your body temperature. And most importantly, water quenches thirst. If you often take water for granted, investing in a water jug may help you get your required intake easily. Even if you are on the go, a portable and high-quality jug can help you maintain your water intake. There are so many water jugs available online, that we understand you may feel confused. To help you out, we have shortlisted the top water jugs of 2023 to keep you hydrated. Number 1. KP Cool Products Water Jug. This 1-gallon utility jug from KP Cool Products is a perfect way to store and transport liquids and other fluids with ease. It comes in 4 different colors: red, yellow, blue, and green, with each designed for different uses. Red is meant for gas, yellow for diesel, blue for kerosene, and green for oil and chemicals. The jug also comes with a unique universal spout to pour liquids without any spill or wastage. The size of the container makes it easy to handle and transport, as the whole package only weighs around 3.25 pounds. The product is made and sold by the reliable brand KP Cool Products, so consumers can be assured of its quality. The kit also includes some useful accessories, such as a stopper cap which can be used as a sealer if the spout is not in use, a cord to hold the cap to the can, and a vent plug. Consumers can use this best overall jug for tons of different purposes such as watering plants or storing liquids. Number 2. Keep 2 Water Jug. When looking for the ideal water jug, always consider its size and material first. For instance, the Keep 2 water jug is made of BPA-free, bisphenol A-free, and eco-friendly material. This material is also odorless so that you can enjoy fresh water every time. The jug features a chug lid with a removable straw to help you enjoy spill-free drinking. This water jug is see-through and is available in many amber color combinations. It has marks that make it easy to measure the amount of water you have consumed or are left with. The leak-proof structure accommodates easy drinking, and the wide mouth makes it easy to clean it. Other prominent features include an anti-skid handle for excellent grip. All these reasons combined are why we chose this product as our top choice. Number 3. Giotto Water Jug. The Giotto Water Jug is an excellent investment to keep you hydrated on hot days. This bottle has a water capacity of 0.5 gallons and a measuring scale on the side for your convenience. It also has encouraging words printed on every water level, motivating you to reach your target quickly. Large 128 ounces capacity ensures you enjoy one full water bottle/jug without having to refill it frequently. Featured with measuring scale help you check the actual amount of water intake easily and clearly. Wide mouth opening is easy to fill with ice cubes and clean. The bottle's wide mouth makes it easy to consume water and add ice as required. This bottle has a removable straw to enjoy every sip. The anti-skid grip design allows you to hold the bottle tightly, making it perfect for outdoor and recreational activities. It is also made of BPA-free material and comes in many vibrant colors. Number 4. Build Life Water Jug. If you have a tight budget, get an affordable bottle instead of compromising on your hydration levels. A Build Life Water Jug is an appropriate option. Although this bottle is pretty big, you can enjoy its significant water capacity without needing any refills. This jug has an attractive design with quotes to encourage you with every sip. You'll be inspired to want to drink more water with the encouraging quote reminder of the daily benefits. With every sip, you're nourishing your skin, your hair, your mind and your body. This water bottle with times on it is great motivation for any fitness goal including weight loss, tracking water intake. Great fitness gift idea to encourage loved ones. Drinking from this water jug is convenient because it doesn't leak or get damaged easily. The bottle is made of a food-grade material that ensures you drink safe water every time. Number 5. Under Armour Water Jug. One of the best qualities of this Under Armour water jug is its foam-insulated body that retains temperature and keeps your drinks cold for 10 hours straight. Whether you are out in a park or in a gym burning calories, this bottle ensures you get cold water every time. The water jug has marks mentioning milliliters and ounces for easy measurement. This feature allows you to ensure you consume your required quantity of water. It is a comparatively pricey bottle, but certain features compensate for this. Under Armour's Playmaker jug is perfect for tournaments or game days. It holds 32 or 64 ounces of liquid and its foam insulation will keep your beverages cold for 10 hours. This jug has a non-slip body for a secure and comfortable grip. The leak-resistant and lockable design keep the bottle's surroundings clean, and the grab handle prevents accidental slippage. It also features hooks to hang the bottle.